Artificial intelligence, AI, is one of the most transformative technologies of our time. It is changing the way we work, learn, and even interact with each other. But what is AI, and how does it work? At its core, AI is a technology that enables machines to learn from data and make decisions based on that analysis. It involves a combination of techniques, including machine learning, natural language processing, and deep learning, to create intelligent machines that can perform tasks typically requiring human intelligence. One of the most significant benefits of AI is its ability to automate repetitive tasks, allowing humans to focus on more complex and creative tasks. This is particularly important in industries such as healthcare, finance, and manufacturing, where AI can increase efficiency and accuracy while reducing costs. In healthcare, AI is being used to diagnose diseases, develop personalized treatment plans, and even predict potential health problems before they occur. In finance, AI is being used to detect fraud, predict market trends, and provide personalized investment advice. In manufacturing, AI is being used to optimize production lines, improve supply chain management, and even develop new products. But AI is not without its challenges. One of the most significant concerns is its potential impact on the job market. As AI becomes more prevalent, many jobs may become automated, leading to job losses and economic disruption. It is essential that we work to create new job opportunities that leverage human skills and creativity, such as in fields like design, marketing, and education. Another concern is the potential for AI to perpetuate biases and inequalities. If not developed and implemented responsibly, AI algorithms can be biased against certain groups, leading to discrimination and injustice. It is essential that we ensure AI is developed with fairness and accountability in mind, and that we continuously monitor and evaluate its impact. Despite these challenges, the future of AI is bright. With the potential to revolutionize industries and transform our daily lives, AI is a technology that is here to stay. It is up to us to harness its power for good and ensure that it benefits everyone. By working together to develop responsible and ethical AI, we can create a better future for all. You could explore the many ways in which AI is being used today and its potential impact on society. You could also discuss some of the challenges and concerns surrounding AI, as well as the steps being taken to develop responsible and ethical AI. By educating and engaging your viewers, you can help raise awareness of this important technology and its potential for positive change.